Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel Tech and Cryptos. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to create a character in character.ai. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply go to old.character.ai and hit on enter right now. As you can see, I have already logged into my account, so if you have not, do log in right now. Now this is the official homepage of character.ai. If you look at the nav bar on the left hand side, you will find many options like home, feed, create, chats and community. What you want to do is simply click on this create button right here. Then from here you will gain many options. Simply click on this create a character button. Now in this page that says create a character, simply enter your character name. The greeting is right here. You can edit this greeting as well. It's completely optional, though I would like to add some good greetings. You can also enable image generation. Simply click on this checkbox. You can change the visibility like public, unlisted or private. You also have the option to add an image or choose file. Once everything's okay, click on this create and chat button. And there you have it. That's how you create a character on character.ai. Well guys, that's it for the video. That's how you create a character on character.ai. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.